Today I'm here with this 2011 Chevy Equinox, and if you are looking for a vehicle that is just packed with features that you're going to love, like leather heated seats, remote start, and more, then you're going to love it. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this kind of a tan gray exterior color. Have your Chevy badge there in the middle, headlamps, fog lamps below. This has a 2.4 liter inline-4 engine, and then looking down at your wheels, you have these alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design. They are 17 inches. Then coming over to your side mirrors, they are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these brown leather seats. They are heated, super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable as well. And then looking over at your steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls on the front. And then you have that LCD display for your media center, so you can have all of your radio and stuff up here there with all your buttons for it down below. And then your climate controls are below that with your heated buttons for your seats right there. Then below that you have your CD insert, 12 volt there, and 2 cup holders here in the middle. Then looking into your center console, you have plenty of space with lots of room below with an aux port, USB port, and another 12 volt. Looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, and you also have a backup camera when your vehicle is on and in reverse. So it gives you a nice view behind your vehicle so you know when it's safe to back up. And making your way out, this has a Pioneer sound system. Okay, so looking in this back seat, it is super spacious back here. You can fit 3 passengers. You also have this cup holder armrest that folds down, as well as a 12 volt down there. And these seats can fold down to give you that extra space. Looking up top, you have your roof rack, lip spoiler back here, your LED tail lamps, and your LT badging. Then let's take a look into the trunk. You do have remote start on your key fob, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. So looking in the back, super spacious back here. Lots of room. You do have another 12 volt, and you have the sunshade that you can pull out and protect all of your stuff in the bed or in the back from the sun. So overall, great. So overall, this is an amazing vehicle. You have your leather heated seats, that backup camera, your incredible sound system, plus remote start. And if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.